Hello everyone, it's me Haran. Welcome to my YouTube channel Haran Bites. Today I am going to share my capstone project. Before diving into the coding parts, let's discuss something interestingly. Imagine an AI that helps you to understand the legal rights, answering the tough law questions, detect fake notices, and even finds real lawyers SU. This all can powered by GenAI. What is the need of this project? What is the purpose of this project? Millions of citizens in India, especially in rural and underrepresented communities, they don't fully understand the legal rights when faced with issues like the job terminations, housing evictions, loan fraud, consumer cheating, and even denied access to welfare benefits such as rations, pensions, etc. The legal documents are much complex to understand. Searching for your rights online is time consuming. It contains the full of ads or scams, and legal aid is hard to access. Our proposed solution comes with the built a GenAI powered assistant, a companion that helps people to understand, act on, and resolve legal issues by using this bot. We implementing 6 features. The first feature is summarize legal notices and documents. Ask queries from the legal documents. If you uploaded the document in it, we can ask queries. It can give answer for our queries with the proper section infos. Even it can summarize our legal documents in understandable format. The feature 2 is instantly generate legal notices or response for the common disputes such as rent, refunds, etc. If you are asking any queries, if you tell the issues, it can generate the legal notices based on your issues, based on your problems, with the proper format, with section infos. The feature 3 contains asking questions in simple language and get answers with legal section reference. The feature 4 is get personalized tax advice and tax calculations. Feature 5 detect fake or scam legal notices using image-based OCR and LLM verification. In the current society, there are a lot of people scamming with the fake legal notices. If you upload your legal documents and legal notice in the JPG format or PDF format, it can detect whether the documents or notices is real or fake. The next feature is the final feature that connects with real lawyers based on the locations and the need. If you give the specializations like criminal lawyer and civil lawyer, etc., with locations such as Chennai, Mumbai, it can find the lawyers with their info and profile link. Okay guys, let's dive into the coding parts. I'm using the 2 data set. I will tell the purpose of these 2 data set. I'm using first one real legal notices in JPG format and the sample legal notices in the PDF format. I will tell the purpose of these 2 data sets in the following coding parts. First of all, I am going to set up the notebook and data access. Okay, I am running this code. It sets up these 2 data sets. Then I am going to install the major libraries. I'm already installed these libraries. It takes much time, that way I'm already installed before taking the video. I'm using the Google GenAI 1.7.4. It connects the Google Gemini API for smart answers. And I'm installing the core libraries such as LangChain, PDF Plumber, and PDF handle PDF text extraction, and beautiful soup for Scrap's legal website, while EasyOCR and OpenCV Python read text from images, and DuckDuckGo search, it finds the trust source fast. I'm run this as well. Then I am going to set up the Google API key. I will share the Gemini API key for generating I will share the link in the description to get the Gemini API key. Okay, then this is the importing part what we all installed for our capstone project. Then I'll run this. Okay, I'm using the extract text from the PDF. This function opens a PDF and pulls out all the text, like reading the legal notices in seconds. It uses the PDF plumber to extract text page by page, perfect for contracts and notices. It caps text at 4000 characters to stay within the Gemini limits. Okay, I am going to run this as well. Then this function get legal sources. This function searches for reliable legal info from the sites like indianqanun.org and government. It's all from the trustable domains for extracting the information related to the laws, which is more accurate and updated content. It uses the DuckDuckGo search to find out 3 trusted links, filters result to ensure only credible sources to make the cut. Okay, I'm going to run this as well. Get news link. It gets the information from the news article. This function fetches the latest news articles related to given legal query using keyword based web search. Then I'm going to the use of the summaries legal issues function. This function combines PDF, text, user queries and web sources to create clear actionable answers. It generates a response with a clear legal answer with law reference, steps to citizens to take trusted source links for credibility. I am going to run this as well. Okay, this function, the generate legal notices, it creates the formal legal notices tailored to the user issues. It takes input like users' names, opponent's name and issues. It uses the Gemini to draft a professional and actionable notices. It uses the function calling. For example, draft a notice for Ravi Kumar against a landlord. It gives the proper format of the legal notices within the seconds. Okay, this function, the answer legal query directly. This function answers queries without a PDF using the web scraped data. It switches trusted sources, scrap text and generates a clear answer with legal references. For example, if I am asking how can I file complaint against online seller, it gives step-by-step response and adds sources links for transparency. I am going to run this as well. Okay, we are going to check the functions with example use case. I am going to run this. I will tell the use of this data sets. I am using the sample legal notices. I am uploading these sample legal notices for this texting. It can extract the legal notices and we can ask any queries from the document. It can provide the answer for your queries with the trustable source links. I am using get legal sources for getting the links. It summarizes the legal notices, and here I am using the generate legal notices. Okay, I am going to run this. This is our output. Okay, I am asking, can my landlord evict me without notice? Based on this document, it tells no, your landlord cannot evict you without notice in the Tamil Nadu. Okay, it gives the steps we can take for our issues and problems. Even it can give the source links. Based on generating the legal notices, it gives the model for drafting the legal notices in proper format. Date, to, from, the subject. Yes, okay. Then this is the one answering the legal query. I'm asking how can I file a complaint against an online seller. It extracts the text from the trustable domains and give the answer for our queries. I'm going to run this. Yes, you can file a complaint against an online seller through several avenues provided by Indian government. It gives the tips we can take for these issues. Even it gives the source links. Okay, then I'm using the tax law assistant feature. The get tax advice function. This provides a structured tax service for Indian users like freelancers and any other domains. For example, I'm going to run this as well. It answers queries, tax regime and slab details, total tax calculation, deduction tips and trusted sources from income tax government. Okay, wait for a few seconds, it will run. Okay, it gives output. The user query is, I'm a freelancer earning 15 lakhs per year. What tax will I pay? I am giving this prompt in this part. We can modify any prompt. It can answer it. It gives the applicable tax regime and the old tax regime, new tax regime. It even tax calculations, the total tax. Even it gives advice based on your queries. It gives the tax advice with the proper section infos, like it gives the section 80C, investment in PPF, ELSS, EPF, life insurance premiums, etc. And it gives the trusted sources like www.com, income tax government. In our project, we involve all the links. We using the proper government links. Okay, I'm going to use this fake legal notice detector. Okay, I am giving the easy OCR method. This section uses OCR to read text from notices images and checks for fake notices. I'm using the English language for extracting text if it is available in English. The pre-process enhance image using OpenCV Python. Easy OCR extract text from images like scanned legal notices. The detect fake notices flags suspicious terms like urgent actions to warn the users. Here I am using the real legal notices. Where is that? Okay, I am giving this path here. It detects whether the notice is real or fake. I am going to run this as well. I think it takes a little bit of time. Okay, it tells no suspicious content detected. The notice appears legitimate. Yes, I am giving the input as a real notices, so it gives the notice appears legitimate. Okay, then the final feature. This function helps to users to find lawyers by city and specializations. I'm using the lawrato.com for lawyer details. It contains the available lawyers with their info, their profile, name, experience, rating, etc. Display the result with clean formatting. I'm giving these type of specializations: criminal, family, property, corporate, civils. Okay, I'm going to run this. Here I am giving the profile URL lawrato.com. Here this functions tells to find lawyers by city and specialization. Here I'm, for example, I'm giving Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad. Okay, I'm going to run this. I'm giving the city names. I'm going to give the name Chennai. I'm searching for criminal lawyer, so I give the number 1. Waiting for a few seconds. It's amazing. It extracts the lawyer's profile with their profile link as well as. First of all, it gives the advocate D. Ravichandran, location High Court Chennai, experience 13 years, the language is he know, the practiced areas, the ratings. Okay, I'm going to touch the link, the profile link of this lawyer. Yes, we get this. Thank you for all watching this. I will share the notebook link in the description, as well as I will sharing the blog post link in the description.